Hello, my name is Diana Cole, and I am up here in Rhode Island in frigid temperatures, but thoroughly enjoying the Palm Beach Poetry Festival. I'd like to read a poem, an ekphrastic poem, written or inspired by a painting by Giorgio Morandi. It's called Still Life, 1956. Looking hard at what you see. I am going to simplify my life. Wear muted clothes, brown skirts and white shirts, sensible shoes, a gray hat. Who wouldn't want to be that humble, in harmony with those leaning in to touch another quietly and experience how supple an edge can be? How shadow suggests the rounding out of surface. To be both squared and solid, containing the salt of the earth, and a vessel to keep oil ready to pour. I don't need to stand out in red heels or consider if purple earrings go with a pink pencil skirt, always the painted lady, running errands in bright sun. I had my heyday. Now I must blend in, rest. Welcome a diffused light, the illusion of space with no need to move through it, to be still, allow dust to accumulate on lips, permit myself to float free of the shelf, the table, and become a pure geometry. Thank you.